Hi guys, I am Jeevan and today I'll be telling you about 10 authors who are famous but they are not heard of that much. Also there's a bonus at the end of this video. So let's start.
To persuade is just one. To entertain is another. To inform, to
Carlos Ruiz Zafón was born at Barcelona, Spain in September 25, 1964. He worked as a scriptwriter aside from writing novels. His genre is mystery. His first novel, The Prince of the Mist, released in 1993, earned the Edible Literary Prize for Young Adult Fiction. He has written 3 other books of the same fiction. In 2001, he published the novel The Shadow of the Wind, his first adult novel which has sold millions of copies worldwide. On 19th June 2020, at the age of 55, Ruiz Zafón died of colorectal cancer in Los Angeles. John Donne was born into a Roman Catholic family on the 22nd of January in 1572 in London. Satire, love poetry, elegy and sermons are genres. Some of the best poems he has written includes Go and Catch a Falling Star, The Canonization, Death Not Be Proud and Sunny Rising. He died on 31st March 1631 in London. Gustave Flaubert was born at December 12, 1821 in Rouen, France. His genre is fictional prose. His 3 best books are Madame Bovary, Simple Heart and Sentimental Education. He received his Legion of Honor in 1866. He died on 8th May 1818 in Crozet, France. Herman Melville was born on 1st August 1819 in New York, United States. His works exemplify the genre of dark romanticism, which fall under the genre of romanticism. He is best known for the novel Moby Dick and Typee, a peep at the Polynesian life. Though he didn't receive any awards, a book written about him was awarded the National Book Award for Non-Fiction in 1951, which was received by Newton Arwin. He died on 28 September 1891 in New York. Pier Paolo Pasolini was born on March 5, 1922 in Bologna, Italy. He was a writer and motion picture director. His genre is classical. His 2 most popular books are The Ragazzi and The Violent Life. He won the OCSC Award in 1964 and Jussi Awards in 1968. He died on November 2, 1975 in Ostia near Rome. James Joyce was born on 2nd February 1882 in Rathgar Island. His genre is easy listening which falls in musical genre. Dubliners, written in 1914 and Ulysses, written in 1922 are his notable works. Though he didn't win any awards, he was a nominee in the USC Scripter Award in 1989. He died on 13 January 1941 in Zurich, Switzerland. Nazim Hikmet was born on 15 January 1902 in Thessaloniki, Greece. His poems range in genre from the poetry of love to epic works. Things I Didn't Know I Loved, On Living and Letters from a Man in Solitary are his best poems. He died on 3 June 1963 in Moscow, Russia. Jorge Luis Borges was born on 24 August 1899 in Buenos Aires, Argentina. His genre is magical realism. Fictiones, Other Inquisitions and 6 Problems for Don Isidro Parodi are his notable works. He won the National Book Critics Circle Award in 1910 and Cervantes Prize in 1979. He died on 14 June 1986 in Geneva, Switzerland. Haruki Murakami was born on January 12, 1949 in Kyoto, Japan. He is 72 years old. Postmodernism, Picaresque and Bildungsroman are some of his genres. 1Q84 and Hear the Wind Sing are some of his books. He won the Tanizaki Prize in 1985. Pablo Neruda was born on July 12, 1904 in Parral, Chile. Historical epics, overtly political manifestos are some of his genres. Residence on Earth, Canto General, 20 love poems, and a song and to spare are some of his notable works. He won the Nobel Prize in 1971 in literature. He died on September 23, 1973 in Santiago, Chile. Aravind Adiga was born on 23rd October 1974 in Chennai. Picarchy novel is his genre. His most popular books are The White Tiger, Selection Day, and Last Man in the World. He won the Man Booker Prize in 2008. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, share and subscribe if you absolutely enjoyed this video. And comment below about how many of these authors do you already know about or you have heard about. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.